Hey guys, we received this herb drying rack hanging mesh for test and try. Small 5 layer plant drying rack with a door type zipper and closed storage compartment for folding basket. So it's a dryer fitting or in the grow tents like for the garden or outdoor use. So this is around 12.2 inches in diameter with outer back storage and also 30 centimeter the total with the bag. So here you can see like it's a self storage bag. So let me just take this out. So the total height is around 32.28 inches and the diameter is 11.81 inches. With each shelf I will say is around 3.54 inches the lower ones and the 7 inches the higher one, and it's the mesh, so it's good for air dry. So you can just put in your herbs or the small leaves and air can pass with mosquito and bugs will not come inside easy, like this a door thing from where you can put in your herbs easy.